Hey everyone, I know it's hot all over the world right now. I can feel the heat. It's probably like 90 something degrees right here. That's why I wanted to share this drink with you. This is an Italian inspired cocktail. It's got grappa, it's got strawberries, it's got lemon, it's got whipped cream, it's got lemon balm. It's delicious, perfect summer drink. So I hope you enjoy this video. If you do, give us that thumbs up, share it with a friend, subscribe, and remember, always leave your comments down below. Enjoy. Hey everybody, I was recently given this book as a gift. It's a great cocktail book. It's in both English and Italian, bilingual, so the recipes come in both ways. Today I want to try to make this cocktail Tricolore, which represents the Italian flag. It's actually supposed to be served on April 25th to celebrate the liberation from Nazi fascism. And I'll see if I can hold it up here a little bit better. So, supposed to be served in a hurricane glass, but ironically, living in Florida, you would think I would have one of these, but it seems pretty simple. I'm actually playing the long game on this one here. Let me turn to the ingredients here. This ingredient right here, the lemon balm, that's not something common here, so I actually had the seeds and grew that from scratch. Then I have to make a strawberry salad to go with it. So then there's double cream, which I guess is whipped cream. So I'm going to use whipped cream. Like I said, I know there's a little bit difference with the percentage of fat, but I can't wait to share that with you. So let me put that together. So when I talk about playing the long game on this one, the garnish calls for lemon balm, which I'd never had. I'd never seen grown, never seen in the stores, but I did actually end up finding the seeds and planting some and growing it right here. It actually looks like it's ready to go. This little fun upcycle project was really easy. This was just a pallet from some pavers that we got delivered, and I just swapped it around and turned it into a planter. And then I used some of the chalkboard paint on there, so I have the lemon balm. I have some more growing here. I tried to plant, I don't remember here, but I think those are peppers growing down there and some peppers growing up here. And I tried to put some bunching onions here. They just didn't take. I think it may have been too much sun. But the lemon balm came through nicely, so I'm going to go ahead and use that for garnish. Okay, so for this recipe, I need 300 grams of strawberry salad, 40 milliliters of grappa, and lemon balm, and double cream, 10 milliliters. But in the instructions here, it says lightly whipped cream. So I'm going to cheat. I'm not going to make my own whipped cream. I'm going to get that from a can. But the strawberry salad is actually a separate recipe on its own. And that involves fresh strawberries, sugar, lemon juice, and then it has to macerate for a couple hours before I start making this recipe. Okay, so I have my fresh lemon, my fresh strawberries, sugar, and the scale. Make sure I get the measurements right. I will have to, okay, this does have metric. So I'm gonna prepare these, let them macerate for a few hours, and come back and finish making the drink. So now the recipe says to let it let it macerate for a few hours. So that's what I'm going to do. But macerate, because it has the sugar and the lemon juice and it's going to be in a drink, I think I'm going to just muddle it down a little bit, make it maybe a little more mushy, get the juices out. Hopefully the lemon will help out with that as well. I'll cover it up, put it in the refrigerator, come back and check it in a few hours, and then I think I'm supposed to double strain it before. And there I have fresh strawberries, my lemon juice, and sugar, which is I call a strawberry salad, and that will go in the drink. Cover this up, put this in the refrigerator. So I just took out my strawberry salad out of the refrigerator. It macerated quite nicely. It's juicy, so I need to double strain that into a hurricane glass. And I've got my grappa ready to go. This is grappa di Chianti, so that's ready. So let's get to work. So we have that nice thick strawberry syrup there, double strained. Right up for the camera. Smells very sweet. So here you have my version of the Tricolore. Like I said, it's a little late, but it's really hot in Rocca right now, and it's really hot in Florida right now, so I think it's a perfect time to enjoy this drink. So on a hot sunny day like today, I think this is a drink I'm going to drink with the straw, and I think this is going to become one of my signature drinks here. Very, very, very delicious. Not over sweet, not tart. The cream, it's a nice touch. The lemon balm garnish brings it all together.